Alright, YouTube. So today I'm just gonna do some review about the alarm system, the KERUI alarm system. This is the wireless setup. As you see right here, this is the infrared, the PIR infrared motion detector. It is active right now with the antenna extended all the way up. And currently I'm just putting on top this TV, so you will detect the motion sensor when people break in from the back window. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. So there's a curtain right there and windows. A lot of people, their house got break-in because of they either go through from the backyard patio door or break in from the window, or if you guys didn't lock your windows during like the summer times or during like a hot season. So I'm putting there so it will detect when people come in from through the windows or from the sliding patio door. This is the door or window wireless sensor. So as you can see, when I open it up, the light's gonna go on. And that's gonna trigger the alarm, okay? So let's go ahead and show you guys some of the setup that I have. Another thing is people could break in through those tiny windows over there. So this is on the side windows inside the powder room. So just in case when they open, they break into through there, I have a wireless door sensor right here. And then that will trigger the alarm. And then over here is the living room area. And I also put a motion detector right here. So I'm going to turn this on right now and then I'll show you guys a test. But first of all, this is just a temporary setup. I'm not going to mount this since I'm going to move this motion detector around, just in case I need to either bring it upstairs or downstairs. Majority, it is downstairs right now. So yeah, this motion sensor will cover those 3 windows, okay? In case they break in from there, this infrared sensor is gonna trigger the alarm system. And then here is another one. I put it on top of the refrigerator. Which will cover this windows right here from the niche. Then we're gonna move further up to the family room area, which is the rear patio door right here. And then here's another window right here. And I got another motion sensor set up right here. So currently I put that on top of the candle holder right now because I just don't want to drill holes in case I'm going to move it to a different location. And then let's go ahead and test this out real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I also have a setup through the garage door. This goes through the garage. And then the top one is my old alarm. I can't believe it still has a battery in, still working. And here is my front door entry. And finally, I have another office downstairs here. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3 windows. And then with this motion sensor, it's going to detect and cover those 3 windows. So I'm going to turn it on right now to test out for you guys real quick. As you can see, those are my bobblehead collections. And then some of my kids' Harry Potter stuff. Lego collectible. And Star Wars. And here's another door sensor that I set up for the other room. Alright, so first of all, I want to show you guys on how to operate this thing. The left hand side is to unlock, which is disarm. And then the right hand side is to arm. And then the left hand side is the SOS. So in case somebody break in, you want the alarm to go off, you just press and hold it down. Okay, that goes off instantly. And then you got the bell right there. That is the alert mode. So whenever you have whenever somebody open the door or walk by the motion detector or open the sliding windows, if you have a sensor set up for your windows, then it's gonna alert you. Okay, so I'm gonna test out by opening the front door right now. And then I'm gonna walk by the office right now. Let's go ahead and then walk by this living room area. So as you can see, that motion detect is pretty good. It detects it instantly. And let's go to the kitchen area. So that one detects it already. All right. The one on top of the refrigerator detects. And I got another one that is setting up right here by the family room area. It just got detected. Okay. So I'm waving my hand. So whenever people that walk by, it's going to detect, and then your alarm's going to go off instantly. So let's go ahead and test out the alarm mode. All right, so right now I'm going to disarm it, so it will disable the alert mode. And you could only arm your system or this wireless motion detector and the whole setup. You had to go outside first and then arm it. Okay, you cannot be inside the house and then open the door. Then the alarm's going to go off automatically. It doesn't give you like a 30-second or 1 minute to allow you to go out the house first. This is an instant. So let's go out there and test out real quick. All right, so right now we are outside at the front door right now, and I'm gonna arm it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. You hear that long beep? So if I open the door right away, the alarm is gonna go off instantly, okay? Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.